Good afternoon, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Hope you're well. Wanted to do a video of this car for you. Just come into stock. Really nice car, definitely worth showing you around. It's on a 21 plate. It's a Range Rover P400e Westminster Black, so it's a special edition car. I will give you a little bit of detail of what that does give you. Certainly from the outside, with it being the black, that's going to give you the black lettering and the black grille. You'll see the hybrids here. So just to charge it, we're just on there for you. Standard features are things like your LED adaptive headlights and your you've also got your air suspension as well. Black pack as well, so all the side Atlas vents and the side trim finishes are black, along with the gloss black wheels. You have got a 21-inch alloy wheel. This is the largest size you can get on this car, with it being a hybrid. And we've got the nice finish on the dealer fitted accessories of the fixed side steps. Paint finish wise was a premium paint. This is Carpathian Grey, which is a nice pearl metallic finish. If we just come round to the rear of the car, you'll notice that the car is in really nice condition. It's a fully approved car, so it will come with at least 1 year's Land Rover warranty, including breakdown assistance and home start. If you do currently finance the car, you will get a 2-year warranty. We've got a rear camera on the car, powered boot lid again, standard feature. And even with it being the hybrid, we do get asked a lot about, does it affect the boot size? It's literally this. So there's no real effect on that boot size for you as well. You'll notice you've got your cables, you have a Type 2 to Type 2 charge point, and also a 3-pin charger. We do call them a granny charger because it is a trickle charge. Coming around to the side of the car, again, nice finish. Little indents in the doors are all for the keyless entry. If we just go into the rear of the car, we've got the ivory and ebony Windsor leather, which is a lovely interior finish. With it being the Westminster, you'll also notice that we've got a nice suede headlining in there as well, and there's 4-zone climate, so they've got their own heating controls in the rear. They can also recline their seats for an extra degree of incline on the door cards, which is just meaning that it's a little bit more comfortable for those longer journeys. Soft closed doors also on the car, again that is because it's a Westminster. If we just go on to the front passenger seat, we've got the electric seats with memory for driver and passenger, and you'll notice we've got the Meridian sound system as well. If I just come round to the driver's seat, again, as I say, we've got the memory function on there for you as well. Exact mileage on the car as I sit here today is 24,351 miles. Down in the central console, we have the Terrain Response 2 Auto, so it will adjust everything for you when it comes to whether it needs to be in grass, gravel, snow, or whether it needs to be in a comfort mode, and the air suspension as well there. Duo Pro screens, which means that you've got your bottom screens for all your sort of off-roady information, your seats, so you've got your heated seats on here, and then your climate as well. And at the top, it looks after your sat-nav, your radio, and your Bluetooth. And you've also got on here Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you've Google Maps or Waze you could potentially use as well. If we just look on the main screen as well, it's a full digital dash, and it has got cruise control with speed limiter and a heated steering wheel. So I know that's sort of a very quick rundown, and you'll probably tell there's quite a lot of specification on this car. And as I say, definitely worth having a look at this car. If you want to reserve this car, more than capable for 72 hours at just £99. It means it gives a bit of time to come in. And if you want to do that, my name's Chris, and the number is 01642 644 444.